need your glasses on. You're playing FIFA. You need.
Just don't want. Right.
Wait, no, you're gonna go to sleep, so you need to take them off.
Yeah, no, I'll take them off in a minute. Scores this trap. I can't! Oh my god, I swear to god, if you scores this. Brandon, get out. What the fuck? No, I can't. I'm triggered, I'm actually so triggered.
Triggered.
I can't, bro. I can't. I hit my hand. It's all over. Just record me like that while as I'm playing. All my fugly toes.
Record, triggered, there we go. What the f*** was it?
So just like you can see a little bit of it, and then just mainly like sort of my mouth. Remember? Wait, yeah. Let me keep clicking on. Now
Triggered.
Just move.
Wait.
You're gonna just hold it. Are you retarded? It looks like my bathroom's so shit because I haven't even painted it yet.
Skinners.
Hey, Skinners, yeah. And then just. What is wrong with you? Wait, what did you do? What is wrong with you?
When you didn't pull your trousers off, I recorded up there, and then you stood up and I was still recording.
6.5 hours later.
And your legs just clicked.
Okay! Move out of the way!
Oh no, I thought I had to do something. And now we have to go outside.
Wait, hold up, let's go. I stepped on a f***ing stone. What do you mean I hope you die? Go f*** yourself. Close the door.
Alright, I'm happy.
Brandon, don't be a dickhead. Don't. Brandon! Thank you, Jesus. There is a moth.
He's afraid of water. No, new wall.
My mum's just painted that wall. He's alive.
Wait, no. Not on the wall.
Brandon, you pick him up and throw him.
I won't. Trust me. Let me go, and then I won't.
Mark the wall. Brandon, look. Oh no, sorry, mum.
Ow!
Just come on. Brandon, now leave my head. I can't be bothered. I can't be bothered. Brandon, slip. F***ing ass this shit. Ass.
It was a joke.
No, you've done this all day. He's done this all day. That was not even fake. He's literally done that all day. Pissing me off, running around, taking my shit. It's so annoying. Yeah, move up a little bit until I get to the stairs. Then just keep it and don't move it. Ready, go.
Go.
Just keep it down at the stairs. No, I can't bother.
Oh, no, you said keep it up until
You're retarded, mate. You didn't even move it up.
I don't understand what you're
You're supposed to move it up when I'm walking out.
Okay,
and then
let's go. Hey, let's go.
Then you just keep it at the stairs where it is. That's it. Ready, go.
You hate me, you stupid girl. Oh my god, I just saw.
Oh my god. Stand here.
Scared.
I can't bother. You're just annoying. Just stand here.
Just stand here.
Don't move it. Just keep it. Is that still recording?
Yeah.
Stupid shoe. No, just hold
That's
up.
why my mum tells me to put my shoes near them.
Just record it there. Run.
Yeah.
Keep it there. That's it. Oh no! I stepped up. I stepped on a spike. You know them spikes on the stairs. You No, I stepped on the spikes on the stairs on the back of my f***ing foot. Right, just hold up.
You could tell it's not 60 FPS. What? If you just throw your phone upstairs, then you could tell it's not, if it's not 60 FPS.
What are you doing? What are you talking about? Right, just go. Just hold it.
So
Right, just hold it.
Moth.
Noff. Why did you do that? He said moth and he goes moth. I swear they're back. Okay, they're not.
If there was, you f***ing my time. Oh, you did.
Hold it here. That's it. I'm just gonna trip. I have to trip. I
Oh, didn't you do that already?
I don't want to die though.
If you die, it's alright, I'll upload it. No, that you didn't even see that. Just go. Like that.
Hold it!
Hold it.
Show it, mate.
Hold it! Bar.
Oh, come on.
No, that was
Oh no, it hurts!
just like fall and then like.
No, I can't.
Should I do it?
You got the same shorts as me. Just take your socks off, quick. Just take your socks off.
No, just leave it.
They're gonna realise!
No, just leave it. They won't actually think of it in the moment.
No, Brant, no, take them off. Alright, that's it. Alright, just go. Here, go. That was it. So sick. Look, hold up. Look, ready? Watch. Ready? Watch.
Yeah.
Wait, hold on.
No, you just did a reboot look with my socks.
Look.
They're back. They're back. They're back. Yes.
I need this for the video. Don't
Just let me in. Just let me in. Just let me in.
Look, pussy ass. I can't even open the door. So you're behind me?
Oh shit! Wait there.
Oh. Right, move.
Go.
Wait.
Fucking dude.
This one now. Well, that's what you get. You You fuck with me. Just fell on the mouth, mate. Right. Take two. Alright, that's it. Get out! Alright, that's it. Get out. Get. I'm stuck on the chair. I need to change. You ain't on attention. I'm a fucking rat. But I'm taking my crisps with me. Oh, I'm sorry! Yo, these crisps taste fucking deep.